Hi guys, and welcome to this week's video, which is a clean with me. Whilst I do the clean with me, I am going to be chatting away about our updates around the house, and the reason for that is because we've moved into a new house a few months ago and we've been slowly updating it, but we've not done anything dramatic just yet because we are waiting for the rewiring to happen at the end of this month. So I actually had to re-record this introduction all over, but that means that I can give you a sneak preview around our new table and chairs that is currently on the floor in boxes. So it's not very pretty, but don't worry, I've got a video coming up on like house updates specifically. I'll show you like my fence painting, a couple of the other things that we've done around the house, but as I said, nothing too major because we're waiting for the rewiring to happen. Anyway, whilst I'm going to be doing the tidying, the cleaning, the hoovering, and I hope that gives you guys motivation to do the like something around the house, something productive. I'll stick the music on as well as give you a bit of an update around what has been going on lately. So let's pick up that hoover and let's get started. So first things first, I wanted to update you guys and say that you will see me picking up these silly sequins or like confetti, silver confetti around the house, like in both rooms, because I'm doing the downstairs mainly today, because we had a 60th birthday party for my dad's birthday at ours. So the weather has been glorious. We put up a couple of marquees, so it's been absolutely lovely, but it doesn't mean that we've got like confetti everywhere. You'll also see me putting away like cushions and things like that, so that is why I'm doing that. Also, whilst doing the clean with me, I realised that Aiden actually has so many toys, and what I'm going to do very soon is actually sort out the toys and put away or throw away or sell or give to charity those toys that he no longer plays with, whether he's outgrown them or because he just doesn't like them as much as other things. Like, he's very much an active boy. He loves football or like any ball games really. He loves his cars and vehicles, construction, things like that. So I do definitely feel like I can put away a lot of those toys that he no longer plays with. You'll also see that actually we barely have a space left for all of the items and little things that he's got around the rooms. I'm going to be doing a clean with me. It's like a power hour for only the downstairs and mainly the two rooms, so the living rooms and the dining room, as well as a bit of like the landing or hallway rather. And that is mainly because I've been doing it in my spare time, so I'll do it during my lunch hour. So if you do like this video, please do give me a thumbs up. I'd really very much appreciate it. If you've got any tips around cleaning, I've only used like the anti-bac spray mostly, and then you'll also see that I used a carpet cleaner on the ottoman like lid, because it does get stained quite a lot, but we do find that actually cleaning it with a carpet cleaner is very quick and very easy. I've noticed that this time around I've actually run out of the carpet cleaner whilst doing this video, so I did add some fairy liquid to that in the end, which made it a little bit weird substance. It was a little bit more foamy than I prefer, but hopefully next time it comes in the shopping I'll probably do it again. I put it out in the sunshine to dry it, and as you can see by the end of the video that actually it dries really nicely and the stainage mostly went away. In the dining room area, you'll see that it's all higgledy-piggledy. We still have most of the things in boxes and in the corner of the room. Actually, filming this video was very hard for me because the decor is just not quite what we want because we've not done anything to it. But as I said, hopefully if you guys stick with me, you'll see the transformation that we go through in the house. But it was also a matter of like, you don't really fancy cleaning it because at the end of it you don't actually feel like it's that nice anyway. You know what I mean? But I guess I am hoping that at least it's tidy, it's clean, and Aiden will find his toys and play with some new things or things that he's forgotten about. whilst we enjoy the tidiness for at least a couple of days, hopefully, and then in a few months' time we'll actually start the redecorating and doing the fun stuff. Don't worry though guys, as I said, I will be filming all of that, so if you are interested in all of that, please do hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you with us. A few other updates about the house is basically not only are we getting the new table and chairs, I've been painting the fence non-stop in the garden, so the garden is looking a lot nicer. We've also got a couple of new taps in the bathroom, but it was mainly because it was leaking. So although our brown bathroom stays, we do have a couple of new taps, which is making it a lot nicer. Actually, it did tidy it up a little bit, which was really lovely. I think something that I'm looking forward to the most is getting rid of that carpet, from getting rid of the carpet in the living room, because I find that it's stained even though it's like beige, and you can't always tell, but in certain lights you can really tell that it's stained. And then in the, like, we call it the garden room, but I guess it's the dining room at the moment, the carpet like used to be pristine until we got here, and then I guess I've got a huge dog, I've got a toddler, and it's just such a pain to clean. So I'm looking forward to getting rid of that, getting some hard floors, especially in the hallway where people walk the most, and especially the dog. And then it'll make life a lot easier when it comes to tidying. So enough of me rambling on. Let's put that music up loud and let's get productive. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. Hopefully I'll see you in the next video, and thank you so much for sticking around. Bye!